20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我會寫定兩段立場，留大家共下發講20歲嘅米。每擺都會有冇共專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋共下講，共下聊聊下嘅想法。北京母族打開耳光，兩條藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想到事情呢？然下啲嘅自由運動嘅係我嘅朋友 Paulo Rui， 可以見照，完全不虛渺渺就地，佢平常真經當好自由運動。然下佢在意大利米蘭，背後係米蘭主教座堂，我咪當上會去。唔過禮拜還係先邀請佢來台灣。自由運動係副業，佢嘅本業其實係一位插畫家哦。大家好，
大家好，
歡迎收看客家夜店客家店。This is my friend Paulo Rui.
Hello. We say ciao and then we kiss.
Oh, so Paulo 佢係一個畫圖嘅藝術家。I remember you like jogging, right?
Yes, I like jogging.
How about we go by foot?
That would be great.
Hey,
Okay.
That's a deal.
Okay, but you should give me the other hand because otherwise it's not polite.
Okay, that's so fine.
Okay. If you go to Sicily and you pour a bottle of wine with your left hand and you turn it this way, they can kill you for that.
Really?
Well, at least 100 years ago, possibly.
Wow. 離開都市度轟隆隆嘅聲音，還有總係趕唔停嘅時間。來到花蓮，整件間我全部都慢下來。自由運動長嘅時間，你會一次上多大只有幾多錢？唔過啲兩位啊，就在30度空，還有白寶石潺潺嘅水上，整件很幸福。第二站，我哋來到花蓮書房，拜訪一位客家大哥，佢到底會帶我哋去前用嘅寶藏咯。
Are we going fishing? Swimming? What?
I don't know. And 我來兩位愛情台灣肉。
你還是台灣肉，我這張鹽台灣肉，
So we're finding this one.
綠色那就是台灣肉。
Really?
Yeah, this one. So 它是不是還有另外一個名係豐田肉？
豐田肉就是台灣肉。
Oh, are you ready to pick them up?
Yeah, show me.
Okay.
I've never seen this one. Only in stores and museums.
Only
This is
stores.
really beautiful. Look at that.
Okay. So are we ready to get into the water?
Yes.
Okay.
來，我們到那個地方去撿。嘿，
哦
我帶你們到這個地方，小心哦，很滑。
Have to watch out.
This is really slippery.
我講是日本時代就移民到花蓮，突然幸福了誒，我花蓮出世，40多年前我就投入台灣玉加工這個行業。啲白寶石用嘅哦，大部分是老山嘅山當留下來。日本時代日本人可以上面在上面轉去，把廢殺嘅台灣玉嘅石鼓當做廢殺嘅條貼，按條嘅山腳，哦，啊山當前到摸嘅石鼓條下來。按做台水風采，去跪下台水沖下來，了跪了白寶石，所以下袂沉到好險。給它翻開來看有沒有玉，拿起來看是不是玉，哦，台灣用的
So you take whatever you think it's cheap.
哦，反過來看，嘿，這個是蛇紋石啦，上紋石，嘿。
So this kind of stone is like it has the texture or something like a skin snake.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
這個就片岩石，嘿，對，慢慢的침嘿。
Oh. What's that?
这个你可以吃，对不对？
這個是嗎？
不是，那蛇紋石。
No, no.
可是那么好看啊。Since I was a kid, I always loved to go to rivers, play with friends and build some dams and then look for stones because they are so mysterious. They're all so different. Some of them are really beautiful, even though they're not valuable. It's like art. The only relationship one should have with art is you like it or you don't like it. It's not because somebody tells you it's worth something.
對，哦，這個就是台灣肉誒。
Oh, you found one.
對。
Lucky.
Oh, so
Put
Paulo
him on
found
head.
one. Oh, you're really good.
Just one.
I got none.
This is from you, and this is the glass.
Yeah. You're on my foot.
禽肉真嘅冇簡單，熱材料嘅結構做唔起，有都還蠻前度，輔助老了，係真嘅係奧斯卡業務喎。
So this is our treasure for today.
Nice catch.
Nice catch.
She's been luckier than me.
I know I am.
But I found also just a rock, but
a
with
rock.
beautiful colors.
Okay, this is your favorite, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to Jiang Qiuga's 工作室 to polish our jades, alright?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
好。
So Qiuga，
嘿
你做對老愛就講，摸魚嘅過程嘛。
魔芋吼，你要是眼你看到吼，你要边角料啦，因为工厂加来等切到块，切到来弄。
So we're going to the factory and gonna
Yes.
cut it. So now we're gonna learn how to
Yes.
fix this.
Let's
stone.
see what it's going to teach us.
来，我们石头换这边，嘿，我看一下，我们去剪的，就是我们火把染到的哈，人家的一讲啊，
一江
嘿
东江。
东江草，你看到哈，有啊，有天空，你看到吗？橙
Transparent.
色的，有看到吗？哈，绿色的，
兩個
好有，
都唔係透明，
你看唔會透明，嘿。
兩個唔好。
哎，冇很厚啦，嘿，因为透明就要厚一些。你从那里透明有啊，有看到吗？
有。
哦，强。
Yes, it is. Yeah, that's working with stones is totally different from working with wood or metals. I know that I have to find a way to compromise what I want and what I can actually do. I think it's really inspiring up to me, and I cannot stop this. When I see a stone, I see something. That's what I wanted to try to do. I wanted to make this stone look better and to resemble more what I wanted it to look like. I didn't want to carve into it and create something new. I just wanted to respect the shape. And that's already inspiration, even though it's an abstract shape. Actually, stone is an abstract shape because it doesn't really mean anything.
哦，对，
Mama, okay, how
对
long?，
慢慢的嘿，泡水，
慢慢地
对，老烟长要讲啊，艺不走不成器啊，要很刻苦耐劳嘿，
中下感應咯。
嘿，因为学港也精神啊，刻苦耐劳。因为奉天美差不多100全有因客家人，全有桃竹苗过来吼。因为客家子弟哈刻苦耐劳，因为到花莲来创业吼都是很艰辛的。
A pendant for my wife, for her necklace. Each and every piece of jade has its own shape, its own color, its own texture. If I just had a chance to work on it, I don't know what it would come out. And it's a gold mine. Look at this. Look how, you know how many things you could do with these things? Some of these pieces for them, they are not clean enough. They cannot use them to make those beautiful traditional pieces of art. But who knows what might happen if somebody just start experimenting with them.
就像拋佬講嘅，每一粒石頭都有佢嘅個性。從我一開始想要做1名5年，不過後來石頭自家就變成木乃伊嘅形呢。你咪係強用啊！呢個世界就會因為有各種嘅人才會安定起。好山好水，不過唔會無聊。俺用老漂佬行在天順路。 佢喊唔掂，等一下我會帶佢去從花家嘅 party。Ladies and gentlemen, bring up the beat.
So now I'm bringing you to a bunch of grandmas. We call them apple in
Apple?
Hakka. Apples.
Very-
Apples
very
in
nice.
Hakka. And when did you start drawing?
I remember a 3.
3. Okay.
Yes.
So they started much later than you do,
You really?
but they got really talented. Like their imagination flies everywhere. So their drawing is like always so with like their childlike.
I really long to see them.
Colors, drawings, children.
And I'll zip my mouth.
You don't have to.
Now we enter the gallery.
Yeah, this is a real gallery. Look at that. So beautiful. Are these their works? This is so much Van Gogh-esque. Van Gogh. In a
Van
way of
Gogh-esque.
Van Gogh. A water buffalo. There is so much more information in these ones because they had a longer life. So their experience is much deeper into the culture than
think-
kids can do.
I think they're just like bringing their everyday, daily life into
Yes.
what they paint.
There was a particular drawing where there were the three ladies with the microphones, dressed in the different colored dresses. And you could see their eyes and their noses were represented, also their mouths, but there was no drawing for the neck and the chin, because it was not important, it was not necessary. But this is something which usually only very skilled artists can do. Because either you use the line and you put it everywhere, or you don't put it and you just work with color. Instead, this lady used it where she needed to, but she didn't use it there where she didn't really have to. And that's another thing which skill struck me, because it demonstrates it's a very high intellectual work she's done on her works. Even though maybe she didn't even think about it, but her choice was really strong.
Apple. Hi.
你们好。
你们好。Hi. 你就啲嘅做法哦。
咪咱介绍，
哈？
你迄个啊，电话林老师。
哦，林先生哦。
因为他们年纪大了哈，基本上让他们自由发挥了。因为他们这些农家的子弟，所以对所有的果实啦、他们的叶子的形状，包括他们的那种树的样貌哈，他们特别清楚。所以他们在记忆里面，他们就画出他过去记忆里面最深刻的东西。我是希望他们这么做的。
哦，那个阿婆嘅花就係看到有拿一个麦克风嘅迄个。
对，他就是喜欢唱。
那个万年係啊，
爱啦，
哦，
同学啦，
同學唔係那個阿婆。
咩风明花莲的人啦。
哦。
对阿婆他过去养很多的鸡。
以前就係一個養雞戶嘛，還是？
也不是，就是他们家庭呢，每个人家里都有养鸡，他养的特别多，养的特别好，所以他的记忆特别深刻。他是把每一种形态都画出来。
She drew chickens with a very, very keen eye on the anatomy. Possibly she's never studied anatomy, animal anatomy, but as she's lived with chickens all her life, she really knows how to draw them, and that's really special, something that really struck me, because some of her shapes are stylized, but they are so precise in what they render. They remind me of very good professionals who studied many years, who have struggled to come such a strong stylization.
我给了说起给很多主教官，伊讲你乜嘢你都冇画，你只画嘅就好。安比咧，叫我向我画嘅就好啦吼，啊個好啦。入擺張嘅辦嘅電腦用哦，電腦伊3本3粒啊吼，3粒，啊上那1粒就好啦，還要畫按咱畫。啊，個做朋友準備你會畫你那3粒。啊，你咪就畫啦，啊就畫1粒雞啦吼，個鵝嘅，1粒就畫羊嘅，個羊我要落嚟嘅羊嘅嚟隻個韓國嘅隻嘅毛短短嘅嘅種嘅羊嘅，嘅電籠度啊吼，其實啊嘅畫嘅雞嘅老嘅啊邊隻嘅就拿到條命啦，係啦，韓隻就拿到羊嘅嘅就拿到第3點啦，係啦，那第3點嘅獎金嘛，那多數上講，嘿，你做乜好？上網也個要超過去國鄉，遊覽，總個就天氣，總個5000就拿去叫去遊覽嘛，去聊。了，將來啥鬼差人感冒，啥不車到感冒，將來就去玉里農民之前待10日。你去買花椒鋪？
嗰家婆吼，是在當國母。嗰那個葉子啦吼，我子啦，超過樹木灌等小，對啊，安樣。該啲咧飲杯哦，杯，我成日咧看到咯，下落就讓我夾住，啊夾就冇相干，把老人家又罵哦，唔使扶好又賣興，我該半天杯下落唔敢啲。
記得會幹過畫圖東南冇？
啊，
一開始嘅時間。
一開始哦，
嗯。
哦， 青南。
青南哦，为嘛叫为青南啊？
唔是听过笔啦。做进入到阿婆后上有木马读到书啊，你学习看哪里啦？忙地徛之前比像徛脚头样诶，我准啊！
阿婆，你发土都没戴那个眼镜，没有老花哦。
没有戴过了，
你冇戴过了？啊，你用看得到？
我做十一把。
说模模糊糊也是错。
She said she's like a little bit blurred, but she'll just do whatever it is.
朦胧有朦胧的美啊！
朦胧美。你会冲上歌嘛？
会唱什么？
懂我唱咯，
懂我唱啊！阿婆，你冲一下嘛？
好，唱好了，唱那个。
中客
冲嘛个，
眼边
演
送。
演好不好？
演。
我是你的人。
嘿，冇乜嘅管呢個話。
She's singing.
Yes.
大扎金子送风雨，
表示爱心意，今生就爱你。
真爱唱歌，唔要唱啦，我冇讀書，都田北沙去唱歌，都見得。第一擺去唱歌去花蓮，哎呀咪唱咧，個書哦，個做咩？都秒唱啊，都頭前幾百3人錯啦，你淡薄1-3人，個是做啲安冇比安呢，佢咩安呢？哦，9月要2個月，要行呢，都2個月過去吼，過去吼，都唔會行哦，都消極，唔錯到要好安尼，都唔會行，我都真愛做個旗袍啦，那我哋啊都喜歡做旗袍啦，伊唱歌甲吐心球甲遐啦。吐心球甲遐我去買旗袍，冇誒咩做旗袍，來咩做旗袍，還做冇誒咩做旗袍，個人愛個買，個冇要個買安尼，丟迄個五兩兩啊！你遐都唔敢做啊，就是小做我，又唔要做嘛該做嘛該安尼，又唔敢做啦。
I think they're very, very lucky. If I had to think about my own experience, now I'm going back to Italy. I'm going back to my studio, which is in a building where there are other artists, other designers. My space is small, and I cannot open a window on, on a landscape like this. I'm going to miss it, really. You know, in life you see things, and in the end you make choices about where you really want to live, and so I don't know, maybe this is going to influence me for future choices, I don't know. But I surely cherish this experience.
花蓮武赫有一群種茶為生嘅客家人，武赫大地也因為氣候和地形嘅關係，佢嘅烏龍茶當出名。等一下，茶葉王子就會披定藝老飄路向下摘茶哦。
This area, as
Yes.
you've taught me in Italian,
Yes.
is called Uha. And this is where the Hakka people used to immigrate from the west to the east because
Yeah.
Hokkien people, they were living in the flatlands, so the
Yes.
Hakka people had to move in the mountains. And this is where I'm taking you to visit.
Yes.
So now we're gonna pick up tea leaves.
Okay. 早安。
Sa'an.
Good morning.
这块的茶树的品种就叫红玉，然后红玉的特征就是说它叶片会比较薄，然后它的
Thinner leaves.
叶缘的侧面的话是比较接近波浪状。
Oh, it's got this wave shape.
Yes, so it's not flat.
Yeah.
这个红玉品种它是属于我们台湾专门来做红茶品种。武赫台地它早从日据时代是种咖啡，然后种茶是从鹤冈一带，再往北一点再复原 然后这样一路再过来的。因为日本撤回日本之后，这边的咖啡产业渐渐萧条没落，是因为我们咖啡主要是以外销为主，本地人根本是不喝咖啡的。所以建议就是说，这边咖啡产业就转型做其他的农作物。电视上面常常说一心两叶嘛，然后一心两叶这个其实它蛮简单的，就是中间这个它这个叶子嘛。
This is the heart.
Yes.
And the 2 leaves. This is how you pick it.
Oh, okay.
因为这个还没有开吧，所以这个都还是属于
This is
芽
not
心的部
bloomed
分。
yet.
Yes.
对，然后就是要我们标准采法就是一心两叶。我们采茶就会跟大家说，就是有没有发现，就是茶叶我摆放的位置。其实这样采集的话，它的叶尖芽心的部分是朝向自己。
Oh, so you take it like that, hold it like that.
Oh,
After you pick it up.
然后就是用你的食指跟大拇指的指腹，然后我们是这样
Like that.
这样子采，
Oh. Okay.
直接往上挑就断了，往上指腹。
Oh.
然后我们不会采一片放一片，采一片放一片，会采到一个量，先收集在手掌心里面。
Okay.
所以这样子采是比较快的。
Oh, so if you don't want to waste your time, you know, putting it
2
in,
hands.
yeah, you do it at both
先
hands.
收集在手上，
Okay, he's like real fast.
满的差不多就可以放到篮子里面。
This is my part of my job as well, so you gotta have like really good eyesight to know which
在
ones
采
to
茶
pick.
的过程中，你们可能需要这些装备。
Yeah, I know.
Okay, right.
I know it's so hard.
Like the other ones. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We look like them now.
Yeah, it's really hot today, so I
But-
think it's better also because I can keep my eyes open. Otherwise, I have to stay like this, like Clint Eastwood.
But you see, they got all the
特别
decorations.
为你们准备的，
谢谢
因为阿姨他们那个很大篮啦，你
OK
们只要把这个插满就可以。
We might just faint in the middle of like
Yes,
somewhere.
okay.
Okay.
But there's no
没关系，我们
competition.
在采的过程中，我们就跟阿姨他们一起采，一起聊天好了。
Okay, how?
Okay, so let's join them.
Let's join
How
them.
about it? Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
阿姨要带那个我朋友来跟你聊天，看顺便教他们这个怎么样采茶。嘿嘿
要睇镜呵。
好，
係
好。
係。誒，兄弟嘅朋友。
好，
He on door, Paulo.
哦，
Hello.
Hello. She's really busy. She
Yeah,
can't
she's
even
very busy. We can't
handshake.
distract
这
her.
个是采这样，这个看起来比较嫩，就可以3叶1心。哎，比较嫩就3叶1心。如果说
用威用2個啊？
他们采久的手会很痛，所以一定要带刀片。你们待会采茶可能要在阿姨的前面，不然你们会采没有茶。
哦，OK。
Okay.
阿姨再飛。
对，阿姨可以帮我们那个善后，因为我们有时候采的不会很干净。
阿姨，用威裝成這樣。
叶拉都做安尼呀。
他们有时候就是这身装扮是自己的造型，自己去设计打扮的。
Okay.
They are so different one from the other, and so they found ways to show their personality through the way they protect themselves from mosquitoes and from the sun especially. There was one who was wearing something very sexy. She had not only wore jaguar boots and also a jaguar patterned shirt, she also decorated her basket in the same way with an old skirt. It was a sexy skirt. Then there was this lady, she was kind of rounded, and she was wearing this beautiful and cute, childish teddy bear shirt.
I'm gonna teach you how to sing the Hakka song,
Yeah.
but I'm not really well. 天公啊，落水哦，係冇？
阿妹哟，帶頂草帽來到行水邊。
Possibly 50 years ago, in northern Italy where we cultivate rice, northern Italy is famous for rice too, it was not picked up by machinery, but it was picked up by ladies especially. They had to spend many hours a day with the boots and feet in the water to pick up and clean up the rice fields and sing the song. To let time pass, they sang together beautiful songs with different voices. It's really nice. Some of these songs are really beautiful, very musical.
从日据时代那时候就一直有客家人从来慢慢多次迁徙来这边嘛，这边要垦荒，然后开发这边产业，我们也是其中一个。听老爸他们讲是说是从龙潭杨梅那一带这样子过来的。然后小时候其实我是外婆带大，所以我对于阿美族那边的东西我会记忆会比较多。关于客家部分的话，就是还是以口述啊，就听可能姑姑啊、阿婆啊，然后再就是长辈他们在讲解以前的东西。
作为几年嘅扎产人，除睇日调晒老每年後，一直重複強用嘅動作，扎查雖然動辛苦，不過我哋巧嘢就從山歌打嘴鼓，一啲嘅都唔會無聊哦。接下來我哋坐定阿上嘅田牛茶，聽聽佢轉到佢嘅茶行學咗茶。
后面就是我们制茶的地方。哦。然后但因为刚刚采茶很辛苦，我们先喝杯茶好了啦。
哦。
好。
OK。
很香呢。
哦。
它柚子茶是客家传统茶嘛，早期客家是用虎头柑嘛，虎头柑是以前这种东虎头柑是没有人用来吃的，所以他们就说把虎头柑然后算是不要浪费。然后我们就是包括我们也把我们就是比较丑的、比较大颗，可能果肉比较没有那么幼的。来做这个柚子茶。
They also look beautiful.
Yeah.
They're beautiful objects by themselves.
It could be like decoration on
Yes,
the
right.
on the wall.
How long can they last?
柚子它本身它的外层那层囊会很多精油嘛，所以精油层面会带来辛辣，然后跟刺激的味道。但因为精油烘焙的时候它会比较稳定，烘焙完它的炭焙的味道会比较重一点。刚烘完再直接如果饮用的话，这个口味其实不会好，它必须要放过一段时间。 因为它每年摆放的那个香气跟它稳定性，甚至它的一些苦味、涩味，会随着摆放的时间点慢慢的消除掉。所以摆放的越久，摆放的越好的那个价值感会越高。我会去北埔啊、峨眉，甚至跑到苗栗，然后我都有去找这个柚子茶，很好玩。他们每个做柚子茶的风格都不一样，然后有人是坚持古法，甚至家传的一些草药，他们都会加在里面。 自己挑选你喜欢的。
You choose whatever you want.
Yes. Okay. For example, this one.
Okay, I want
Okay.
this one.
对，然后盖子跟它就是要同一个盖子这样子。我们把茶叶跟我们的文旦柚一起搅拌。
哦 ，OK。
搅拌过之后，我们再把它塞到茶叶那个文旦柚里面去。
好。
So, half and half is weight.
哦
Wise.
那个比例係嘛㗎？
哦，比例的话，一般我们是称重是1比1。
哦，1 to 1
1 to
ratio.
1, yes.
Yep.
Okay. It's impressive how much we fit it into it,
Yeah.
right? Because look at that. We prepare so much, but most of it is gone now.
Yeah.
Impressive.
我看起来刚刚搅拌看起来很多，其实塞进去它居然可以塞到这么小的地方里面去。
You have to fill it up and compress it up to the top, right?
Yes.
It really has the flavor of the pomelo. It's really special. The only parallel I had is there are some kinds of cheese in Italy which are wrapped with strings like that, so they change their shape. And but I never seen anything like this.
有人是用铁丝啊，然后有人是压模啊，然后但是的话，我觉得说还是纯手工用现成绑的这个最漂亮，而且它不会像铁丝啊，或者有一些铁的味道会残留在里面。然后压模出来的东西，它又太过于制式，然后没有那么好看。外观保存上面，它比较没有像之前传承的那么有特色，那么有文化。
他以为嘅時間，所以會一直跳來跳去，韓國愛出動態里裝作的老吉他很。唔過上到幾陣年後，就會有又香又醬嘅柚味茶，我就醉走了。離開湖河，我哋來到玉里，跳下上山摘茶，然下就聽聽小姑蘭是見下，到底要行到哪呢？來到花蓮。 因為做定唔帶漂落去看海呢，然下我就會小計記花蓮嘅另一種海——金針花海。當然89年開發時節已到，滿山條嘅金針花真見動產夢。以下就來拜訪這位研究金針花嘅李太哥，跳下來摘金針。
李太哥，你好。
你好。
你係我嘅朋友 Paulo。
你好。
你好。
民國哈10年左右，係講迄座苗栗市場過來，嗰是行啊行嚟講錯中央山脈啊，都行過來，行正個天正山變翻山過來嘅，過來了看到誒，呢度個天當好啊，哦，啊有當培哦， 哦，又不是嘛该开发都就有种东西，啊，所以我就是好像黑下来。啊，你七号山吼，以前是迄种的林区，了后吼，个树的啊，树的种的树的是摩前河川呐，摩前川，所以讲吼。了个种的农民啊，农民都想讲，来种番又培养学种嘛。哦。无单枪种番薯，番薯又分三足实体啦。刚开始种了金7种款来，哦，种多讲，哦，按好。
昨天老外就讲怎么把这个。
这样哈，熬了木料，哎。
So this is where where the stem and the flower meet.
Yes.
You pick it up from here.
你种一张做对了，你种一张做一扎，你张做一扎，你磨好。
这个不行。
你都糟蹋了。
哦。
因为发现啊，你天公伊咩冲两样。
你妈妈该专门的适量。
个是唔得啦，个都磨，只会磨东西啦。
磨嘛个东西。
磨米。
没有米。
没有米了。你扎吼，专门就按起码下，你规下都磨得了。要拿起来，拿凹上，拿起来。
So you pick it up and then you go like that.
那边有那么多
哦，
小朋友。
对。这个哈，这个就是我们没有用药的，这个金针都没有用药，它所以有长虫，会不虫啊。
I'm organic。
87年啊，加都金针有嗰種嘅生問題，加咪摘唔起咩？摘唔起都開花開到哦，萬奈起啊！哦，規山都花啊！啊，爭尾想講，嚟做本人客嚟看咩好咁樣。
I'm not going to forget flowers like those. And actually, one feeling one have when it sees a field full of flowers is going back to Van Gogh's times. Is the depiction of the sunflower fields. And this is a good flower that can be used by an artist to make a beautiful representation of a landscape with flowers. Because they are relatively easy to paint. They have a very definite shape. They are so colorful, so the color contrast is fantastic. So for photographers and artists to go to a place like that is really interesting. In a fine day, blue sky, white clouds, dark greens on the mountains, light greens in the plantations, and then those orange flowers create a fantastic contrast, and you can use colors in a very magnificent way.
送你啲当杯，送你啲当杯嘅种嘅，当杯有装可以做菜啊。
박明，
嗨，美丽的主持人，你好。
So many beautiful colors.
我来教你们做凉拌金针。
Oh, so we're making the salad.
我们先把这个金针是干的，我们先把它泡水，泡好以后再穿烫，还要加这个黑木耳，再加的话是木蜜。
哦，木
蜜。啊，你啲老木蜜，老啲金针，哈，向下放落去，拌海带芽。海带芽
，yes，
是不是有腌过？
是这个腌过的，全部放落去，放较大较好食。
哦，She said the more you put, the better it tastes.
阿丽啊，我放一些辣椒。
我喜欢。
哦，
辣椒，好，然后还要加我们的老梁。
Tell you in Haggafa.
好的，这样子，然后一些老底位都好嘞，哈，香油。
You put it like if you mix it, it smells better.
母醋。
It's a vinegar.
好湿，搁加一些的料。那因为金面膜可以跟砂糖，所以用那个冰糖代替，直接按用拌一拌。
Yes.
拌一拌。
那么多不同的颜色，
好看。请讲哦。
So nice, and we just picked it up.
Yes.
Oh, so fresh, everything.
Yeah, food that you pick up tastes better.
Yeah. 等不及了。
嘿呀，口水流出来了哈。
So nice.
Delicious. So fresh. When they first described me these kind of flowers that can be eaten in different ways, I thought, oh, maybe they are the same flowers we eat in Italy, because in Italy we eat pumpkin flowers. And so I expected to find those instead. No, I found some mountain flowers, which are orange. They are so beautiful because they are just beautiful for the way they are. In the end, I discovered they can be eaten also in different stages of their development. They are really good, really tasty, and as it was pretty warm, it was the perfect dish for summertime, yes.
紅樓夢感動你嘅故事，來自於日本人畫題嘅石條。今晡日，我哋就要來認識用石條講故事嘅先生，未會用兩條本人染起來嘅石條講印條嘅故事。
Paolo, so we're now going to enter the room.
Yes.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to introduce you to this place. It's called
Yeah.
Pu Shi Meng.
Pushimo.
Okay, so this word, it means stone.
Yes.
And Meng is dream. So
Yes.
this place is where you build your dreams on stones.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
Can you say that again?
Pu Shi Meng.
Wow, 好定啊.
Okay, we're going to check it
Okay.
out. 林老師，
Hi.
你好 ，Hi。So
你好。
兩位好。
你好。
葉片係我哋做菩薩花嘅材料，係要石條撈晒。
Oh. So these are the stones where you construct that picture.
Yes.
So there are sands and stones in every shape. Yeah, we use 嗰個石頭係from 花蓮。
哦，像啲有青色嘅啲，有台我哋有用啲嘢石條。
佢發展嘅人嗬，佢係會動用啲高中教學嘅佢首創用線上。啊！啲門藝術呢，佢開創嘅會所，就對安尼用力錢，係用安尼用力啲附權好白石條，啱做來嗬，嗱佢切一地一地來做石白材料。啲附權嘅石條呢，佢係設嗬當菩薩，啊用力呢，佢係橋面很多菩薩角，我哋到啲石條法呢，很做菩薩法。
改編就一件展覽室，安尼你也嚟參觀。
哦
Yes, yes, yes. In the past, until 100 years ago, people ate only food they found in their area. Then, with the great distribution, we started to import things from all around the world. And this is the new way of thinking. Just go back to what you have in your hood. The same thing can be done by artists using the materials they find around.
葉片呢，攏係我哋學員嘅作品哈，就喺度看到，你係客家妹。
客家妹，this is Hakka.
Hakka.
So this flower actually is a symbolization of Hakka.
Oh,
yeah,
is it?
this flower, Yotonghua, right?
Yeah, like on Hakka TV.
Yes.
我係客家人嗱，用呢係客家人，用呢呢早期嘅下嗬，攏係原住民，我哋祖先呢，攏係讀喺西部嘅苗栗遷移過來。
They match the local stone colors in such an elegant way. They create beautiful shapes which were so harmonic, so relaxing for the mind and interesting because, like some sort of abstract art make you ask questions about what it may represent, what inspires you. You never find the answer, so it becomes an intriguing piece of art which, if you place it in a public place or even at your place, it's always inspiring.
Hello，
嗨，
大家好。从墙上的画呢，它都是有故事性的，是在说我们都在走菩萨法，那个上课的情形。我们找一位小朋友来介绍他的作品。好，陈忠，
嗨
，Hello， 你来介绍一下，你的作品是什么意思？
也係線上林美佐老師，
你一台嗌啦，
叫做吹石條，
水石條，
也係嗌通學。
So this is him,
Yes.
and these are his classmates.
So the hammer and these are pieces of stones she's breaking, and this is the cube they break them on. Children are the real artists because when they start to create something, they just do it because it's fun. And the meaning of art should be having fun. For kids, the product of art is not as important as trying to do something.
我哋做麼？
好，安妮莉亞都在做，安妮莉佢你有用辦嘅畫板。
So we can pick our boards.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, show us. For artists, there are two basic ways of work. One is adding, the other one is removing. For example, for a sculpture, adding is when they use nitu and they create a model for a sculpture, and the other way is carving, so removing material. In this case, there is some of both because you have to add the color, but then you have to remove one part of it from the single piece because you have to check if it matches with the space you have. And so it's a different way of using your brain, which is really interesting.
来到台东池上，你会看到一种强势的太明床，本来当上会望到地度好好的睡觉，因为好天气加上易水脚，种出全国闻名的池上米。水上的起点茶、吹点风，是在东乡树呢。
I love riding my bicycle. In a place like this is even better because it's so peaceful. In Italy we have rice fields, but they're different. I never seen them so many like that and with no houses actually, because we could look in some directions for kilometers there were no buildings. So it's been a beautiful discovery, yes.
Gonna
have fun.
We're gonna have fun.
I'm getting embarrassed.
阿青哥，
係四阿妹。
好。這個土壤要凍多年。
係，你做先當然咯，係，做先當然嗬，啊你都講真啦，哦，總之都係來農工，你農家種比平，啊種比平來啊你開始農家，你條尾最有嗰種嘅最來嘅，來家後面有三七步樣起得嘅，
所以要
係啊，要逆時針嗬，旋轉，係
Yes.
啊，天天嚟幾多位出嚟嚇，可能要出嚟吧？
哦，要識得。
哦，佢出嚟嚇，OK，你啲米都出嚟啦嚇，天天嚟摸行幾摸嚇，梗係要摸嚇。
Oh, should I try? Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Okay.
Anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
Lại
Oh, yeah. I have to put my hand here, right?
Ấy,
I never seen the kind of the hand mill we used to separate the rice grains from the husk. I never seen anything like that before. And besides seeing it, to try it, which has been really exciting and fun because it's a different movement from things one does usually. So it's been nice to see somebody who could do it so well and learn from him and try and use my hands to do something. Yes.
How did you do it?
我哋會好，或者唔嚟，好嚟，好 OK， 好做得，好嚟咯，好開始用
Push.
I give up.
Okay.
好啦，先至嚟，
Okay, let's try and finish it. Okay.
好嚟
Let's go.
好嚟，
But you forgot to put your left foot ahead.
對，
這樣，
這個用途係乜解啊？
就是把這個龍黃哦來背出嚟。
因為不會出力
哎呀，
哦。
龍黃有沒有？這樣。
哦。
這樣，好來。
That's the tough part, not this.
Not that.
No.
對，補你啊。
I think.
哎，懂。媽媽嚟台灣吼，佢提供你哋磨米咯吼，一個禮拜，做2禮拜，就用個土壤，來磨米，磨1禮拜營養嘅，我哋禮拜4日，差唔多要米公里都要磨米咯，你要準備好，準備你要嚟磨，又弄我好些，俾我米講嘅，太陽嘅1禮拜磨1拜。
有睇冇？
有哦，慢年期嘛。
阿 U D 5號。
哎呀。
This is 阿 U D。
係，你好。
唔係講嘅就做米奇木。
哦，說的是要地下。
說的是要。
哎呀，地下哈，等下。米。
你繼續。
哎。龍河嘅米啊！ 爱选金，哈，金有2点钟。
We have to learn. Okay.
细米晓得嘛
Okay, show me.
idea.
idea 好来，谁看啦？
anh Yong à?
啊，你翻译就好。
ngài phở thì hảo.
来，你翻译就好。谁讲啊？
anh Yong 做点么？
做的，你是么米高的本来哦，冇谁6点出了。一般细米是3边。
3边哦。
哎，3边。
踢一边哦。Okay, I got 2 more.
呀 ，1 2，你的细米应该砸碎。
放。
你冇不用说用板磨米。
哦，ngài tí em. anh Yong 做点么？
做的。不用一批。
Okay. Peony pea.
不用一批。
Peony pea.
倒进去，不用一批。
Okay, peony pea.
You hold it. Don't drop it. You don't want to waste it. anh Yong 做点么啊？
做唔得，背枪啊，唔调下农谷辛苦啦哈。
辛苦。
哈，自己点都冇浪费，背枪啊。
Never waste your food.
No.
Okay.
还有
No, 2.
冇嚟啊？
No. 还有1、2、3。
1、2、3哦，辛苦啊！对。OK。
对不对？
不用下杯。
不用下杯。
好，开水，看到几个水有下来，就是这边的水有下来，就按照几个水有下来嘞。来，10天，天天的开，天天的来。
天天的开吗？
来，慢慢的拉。
哦。
呀，对，来到清风。
哦。
第几摆考你做米节目，所以讲我印象很深刻。打好了，阿舅啊，你给我香会，你给我 Q， 吼！我就在那边坐着在那边生火。那个阿姆呢就把着那个桶拿等呢，不用我给做条方，因为条锅给做条一天变白，其实米节目不用拿的就烤等。那个画面倒进来就在我脑海里面，等你炒等呢，爆冲拿等呢。观众啊，对吧？还不给你看个米奇目标，看什么你知道吗？那个米苔目一条一条在跟米奇目标看呢，像下雨一样。某边啊，这样硬看个画面。那个时候，我心关都是励志，我听了做起。我听到了就文化传下去，一技术要特别恶等，酱拿一团，不用调前哈，好，对不对？刷过去哈，所以
It's like washing your clothes, you know.
安尼，看油嘛，18种个粒，哈，酱浸下去，哈，就这样子，安尼晓得吗？看油嘛，看油哈，看油从你。
So you have to use both of your hands.
Yes.
One like this and
Sure.
one with this.
Okay, I rinse my hands first. You know, going into the realm of art, creating something, is something which is really goes parallelly with these kind of things, because for me it's a very important concept. An artist shouldn't be bound to the technique he uses. An artist should be somebody who's able to create something out of anything. This means also being able to use one's hands in a different way to create things even without using colors. It's a creative process which is really similar to the creative process and the technical skills that an artist have to acquire in order to create something. Oh, it's done!
小心啊，小心啊
Yummy.
好，享受成品了。
Yummy. And they'll like sit like
啊
So you're tasting the sweet one.
拿去甜咩？
Yes, I want to try this.
No, 幾位食甜咩？
好，我就咳頭水。
好。
Isn't it a summer dish?
Summer dish. 嗌媽從佢食。
好，下咩？食啊哈。好東西침淡啲啦哈，下杯了呢，啲下杯哈。跨過來。
Water step.
哦，有没有看到前面一片？我们刚刚是从磨米打鼓。磨米
打鼓，
对，好，做米苔目，我们现在是享受成果，对不对？好，我们现在是对着前面一片绿绿的，这个 feel 有没有超好？
有，เป็นมาเป็นติโตไงมาไว้sit
Delicious. May I have more? I just started. Great, really. I like it.
So this is our last activity of our journey.
Yes.
What do you think?
I know that. It's been great. It's been a great experience. I've seen so many beautiful places. I've seen so many incredible people. I've had so many different occasions to meet the Hakka culture in some of its expressions, so many different. So I'm really glad I had the opportunity to come over here. Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. We're going back to
Especially
Italy.
this.
好不好吃？
好吃。
好吃，准备动手嘞！
Keep
加油
on
加油
taking-
加油
keep on taking-
好，最细碗，加油！
안쓰세.
太刺眼用动动莫强用嘅面貌，丰富飘露老眼嘅感受。我感覺高尚也係一件動情嘅事。有請老眼向下繼續旅行，發現一片土地嘅美。
I wanted to represent a little bit what I've seen in these 7 days. So I started from the background, so from the sky, the beautiful sky which can change so quickly. You can have beautiful blue sky and a few moments later there are those incredible shaped clouds that cover the sky. The road which is winding like the road that took us from Ilan to Hualien, the mountain road which is so winding. A river represents the flowing of time. But the strange thing is that when you're near a river and doing something like searching for jade as we did, time stops and you are just there with your feet in the water, searching for something. The important thing in those situations is not finding something but searching. It's a little bit like painting. When you start painting and you don't really have a subject in your mind, you just let it go. We visited places where we saw these incredible fields, rice fields and other cultivations. I was amazed by the brightness and differences in colors, which is so inspiring. And what I like about fields is the fact that even though they are human-made, they still have something like a natural look to them. Besides the rice fields and the other fields I've seen, like the orange daylilies on the mountain, what I wanted to represent in my painting is a little bit my impressions of the Hakka Keja spirit. And so I decided to represent it through the form of a Taiwanese bird, which is called the red oriole. It's a beautiful bird from the mountains, red and black. As the Hakka people I met is lively, happy, and active, very active.